Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore brand consistency across PDFs with Adobe Acrobat edits, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Locate the PDF file you want to edit and open it. Navigate to the Edit PDF tool in the right pane. Once the file is open, review the existing text and images for brand consistency. Identify fonts, colors, and styles that do not match your brand guidelines. To edit text, click on the text you want to change. A text box will appear, allowing you to correct the font and size. If the font does not match your brand, use the format options to select the correct one. Next, adjust the color of the text to align with your brand's color palette. To edit images, click on the image and select Replace in the top menu. Choose an image from your files that matches your brand's visual style. Ensure all images are of high quality and appropriately sized. To modify any shapes or graphics, click on them and use the Properties toolbar to make adjustments. Review any headers and footers to confirm they align with your brand's layout. Once all adjustments are made, save your updates. Repeat the process for any additional PDF files that require consistency. Finally, conduct a last review to ensure all changes have been correctly applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.